Built in 1716, the Boone Farm property has a rich history that spans 3 centuries and has historical ties to the Great Migration, making it eligible for the National Register of Historic Places. During the 20th century, 6 million African Americans moved from rural southern states to northern states, including Pennsylvania, in search of economic opportunity. In the 1930s and 1940s, the Boone Farm offered good-paying jobs and steady employment for African Americans, which allowed them to raise their children and have a better and safe life in Bucks County. The Building Our Dream campaign will honor our history and cement our path for the future. The beautifully renovated Boone Farm will be a destination for school children and adults. It will be a welcoming place to explore ever-changing exhibits of historical and cultural artifacts, view timelines of significant events in African American history, while learning about the remarkable hidden figures whose stories have been largely forgotten. We are on the brink of transforming our vision into reality. Thanks to the unwavering support from both the county and state, we've already secured an incredible $4 million towards the construction and renovation of our future museum. It's a testament to the community's belief in this transformative project. Now, with just $2 million remaining to bring our dream to fruition, we are closer than ever before. So a heartfelt acknowledgement to the county for their significant contribution and steadfast commitment. But the work is not done. Together, let's bridge this final gap and create a vibrant, enriching space that will inspire generations to come. We're almost there. With your support, we can absolutely make it happen. Be a part of history and join us on this journey. Thank you.